Okay, we're now going to fit this peg, the bottom end of the peg, into the vise. This is simply to stop it bending when the spring is let go. So we're holding that firmly in the vise. We've got the spindle above it ready to push down on the spring. And the spring itself, you now push in to that point there where it's resting on the wire. Now what I'm going to do is to fit this block across the top of the spring here and push down. Make sure we're pushing all the way down. Push down gently to push the spring through the wire and into the socket. Well, it's done that. It's in. And now I need to turn the wire over, turn the block over to the point where I can push the whole assembly into its final resting position. Spring all the way down, fit it into the center, and take that out. You can have a look.